Okay, we're going to take a spelling test, Sophia. Ready? Spell red.
R-E-D.
Spell green.
G-R-E-E-N.
Spell blue.
B-L-E-E-N. I mean you.
Spell it again. Blue.
B-L-U-E.
Good! And there's no word blue on there. Okay, ready? Let's close the book in case. Even though you didn't look. Ready? Look at mommy. Spell red.
R-E-D.
Spell blue.
B-L-E. No, you said.
No, it's okay. Spell blue.
B-L-U-E.
Spell green.
G-R-E-E-N.
Yay! You did it! High five for mommy! Good job.
You forgot yellow.
Spell yellow.
I
I didn't teach you that one yet. Okay, bye. Say bye.
Wait, let me see.